Good evening, I'm Allie Bauman. We begin with that chaotic arrest of a Staten Island bar manager who is defying COVID-19 restrictions. Investigators say the man hit a sheriff's deputy with his car overnight, dragging him for about 100 yards. He now faces assault charges. CBS 2's Nick Caloway has the latest.
Danny, you have anything to say?
That's 34-year-old Danny Presti being escorted out of the 122nd precinct in handcuffs. Police say the bar and restaurant Presti manages, Mac's Public House, was again in violation of orange zone restrictions that ban indoor dining. Videos show a packed bar Friday night with no social distancing and few masks. They were open again Saturday night, allegedly allowing customers in through a vacant building next door. So early Sunday morning, sheriff's deputies tried to take Presti into custody. Police allege he rammed one of the deputies with his car, trying to flee.
Danny, did you run him over?
Presti had no comment for us, but it's not his first time in police custody. He was arrested Tuesday night for defying the rules, even declaring the bar an autonomous zone. Still, the business has been cited more than a dozen times.
To be honest with you, I think they're idiots.
The controversy garnering strong reactions from the community.
It's just senseless what is going on. I understand. I feel for the guy. I feel for a lot of people. But this thing is out of control.
I mean, the guy wants to make a living, and you know, he's nurtured a business, he's grown a business, but at the same time, this virus is very serious. I mean, it's getting worse.
But the business owners have garnered massive support for defying Governor Cuomo and Mayor de Blasio. Chopper 2 showed this massive rally in the street last week in support of the business. Presti's friends said the government has offered no relief to small business owners, so they have no choice but to open.
He's fighting for small businesses. He's fighting to provide for his family. And he's trying to appeal to the federal government to try to get us as much money or anything that we can so we could survive and make it through the winter.
But City Hall officials reacted differently to that violent incident near the bar. The mayor's press secretary tweeting, quote, "Whether it's flouting public health laws or ramming a car into a deputy, this guy clearly has no regard for the lives of others." An attorney for Presti said in a statement, in part, that his client fled because he had no idea the men running at him were sheriff's deputies and that he is, quote, unaware of how anyone sustained injury. In the Grant City section of Staten Island, Nick Caloway, CBS 2 News.
And the NYPD has confirmed Presti faces an assault charge. We're waiting to hear back from the prosecutors about any other possible charges.